Hey friends, while the S mode is quite secure, a lot of users do not like it. They wish to exit it and they want to be able to install apps directly from the web. And if they try to do it, the more option doesn't work, like that get option doesn't work and it's stuck on working and nothing happens. So if you encounter this issue, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the Microsoft server status. Open my this one, Bing, the Bing search bar, and search for Microsoft server status. Now, a lot of users may be asking that why don't I simply use Google for it. I'll tell you about it later. So click on this one, status.cloud.microsoft.com, and check for all the downtimes here. It seems to be perfect. And then you can also scroll down and click on portal.microsoft.com server status, and it will show the server status for all its applications. If it's all green, it means that everything is working, else you'll have to wait. Now, why didn't I suggest Google? Because Google is only showing forum results now. The second one is to check the status of the Windows Update service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the Service Manager window. Now scroll down to the Windows Update service. Right click on it and select Properties and change it to automatic, start it, and then click on apply and then on OK. The next solution is to update all Microsoft Store apps just in case they are stuck. It may be that the reason that you're unable to exit the mode because it doesn't allow you to exit the mode during updating. So open the Microsoft Store either from the system tray or search for it if you don't find it, and open the Microsoft Store. Now go to library on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on get updates and wait for all the software products to be updated. The last solution is to check the system date and time, which should be correct. And the easiest method is right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to time and language on the list on the left hand side, select date and time, set time automatically, or you can set it manually as well, but make sure that it's the correct one. And then make sure that set time automatically is also selected and click on sync now. And if it doesn't work, then keep clicking on it again and again until you get a check mark here. This check mark means that the date and time is correct. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.